Nau mai ki whakamiere. E te ti e te tā, nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Kurī Haututū by Aesop. Before we jump into our kupu hou, just a reminder to everyone that we have brand new reo Māori stickers. They're free and available to everyone, so hang around at the end of the episode to hear the details about how to get yours. We have two kupu today. The first one is Haututū, which means mischievous. Not mischievous. There's no I after the letter V in that kupu. There is no such kupu as mischievous. On a similar note, there's actually no such kupu as pronunciation either. It's pronunciation. Kia tika mai e te whānau. Pronunciation and mischievous. Putting those three aside, our other kupu hou today is mōiriri, which means notorious or notoriety, depending on how you use it. Kia reare mai ngā taringa, listen out for these kupu in the kōrero. Kia hānau nā te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Kurī Haututū, nā Aesop. He wā ona I ngū tā tētahi kurī nana ki a oma ki ngā rekereke o ia tauhou, ngau atu ai, te whakatūpato. Nā tēnei I mate tā te rangatira here, I tētahi pere ki te kaki o te weti nei. Hei whakamohiotanga atu a hakua ki hea haere ai. Ka pairawa atu tēnei ki te kurī a ka uma kūkupa tāna whakatangi puta noa I te taone. E oti anō, ka ki mai tētahi kurī pēpere kou, he aha koe whakaiti nei a koe anō. E ara tērā pere I te tohu o te mana, he tohu kē ia o te taureka. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, he ri te tonu te pōhēhē, ko te mōiriri kē te rongonui. The Mischievous Dog by Aesop. A rascally dog used to run quietly to the heels of every passer-by and bite them without warning. So his master was obliged to tie a bell around the cur's neck that he might give notice wherever he went. This the dog thought very fine indeed, and he went about tinkling it with pride all over town. But an old hound said, "Why do you make such a fool of yourself? That bell is not a mark of merit, but of disgrace." The moral being, notoriety is often mistaken for fame. Tēnā rawa atu koe I tāu whakarongo mai. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Whakamiere. Our brand new reo Māori stickers are available to everyone who supports us on Patreon. This includes free members as well, so it doesn't cost you a cent. If you do sign up to one of the paid tiers, you get your own choice of stickers. We have 3 amazing designs, each in 2 different sizes, and you can check them out on Patreon and Instagram. This offer is valid for all current and new members until all the stickers are gone. So tell your friends and whānau as well. Join us next time for a new episode, and I'd like to take the time to mihi to our supporters on Patreon, because it's thanks to them that we're able to keep the podcast ad-free. If you have friends and whānau who would like this kaupapa, please share it with them as well. Check out Patreon for all the kōrero about subscriptions and how to join our whānau whakamiere, and follow us on Instagram for more kōrero. Ko Taurapa au e mihi nui ana e hoa mā, hei a kua nei.